Oh, you want me to have a favorite Lazy Town character too? Okay. Oh, you see a clue. Where? Look, there's a clue right here on this. What is this sound? A beeping sound. So, a beeping sound is our third clue. Now what do we need to do? Right. Notebook. Right. So, our third clue is a beeping sound. Right. How do I draw a beeping sound? Well, we can't really draw this sound, but maybe we can draw some curved lines to help us remember this sound. Our third clue. We have all three clues. That means we're ready for our thinking chair. Right, let's go.